Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired March 30th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Resurrecting the Lazarus Consciousness. Swami, your insights.
It's a podcast about envisioning Lazarus as the purified human consciousness, resting in the omnipresent divine mind, awaiting recognition from the Christ.
Looking to resurrect your greatest asset? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam